an array is sort of like, okay, let me create something like a country. Okay, so I'm going to create a data structure that's called countries. Okay, and sometimes an array can also be created using this function array, and then you use the curly braces. Then we can now put something like Zambia, so we can just list as many countries as we want. So Zambia, Congo, DR, as well as maybe Kenya, and then maybe Malawi. Okay, Malawi. Okay. So what that means is that if I want to print on the browser the screen to echo something, then I have to loop this one using a for loop, a for each loop. So you say for each. So for each, then in brackets, then we code goes here. Okay, so you want to actually say for each countries, I just want to assign a new variable to that. Okay, so I want to say country as in individual country. So we are calling out a country specific. So once we do that, what is going to happen is I just have to echo now, echo that single country. Now, since I'm looping over many countries within this data structure, which is an array, so what's going to happen is that I have to use one of the HTML tag, which is a break tag. Okay. Okay. So now, once I do that, then I can sort of run the program. Of course, what you see on top there, I don't want that one to run. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open my control panel for local server. Start. So once those are turned into a green color, the module, the Apache and MySQL, they are working, then we are good to go. The local web server is now on. And then I'm gonna go to the browser, and then just punch in local host, and then I'm just gonna go to loops, and then for each. Okay, so this one does not exist. Maybe it's for each loop. Okay, so now you can now see clearly on the browser that I've got Zambia, Congo, Kenya, Malawi. So I can even, get information from a certain website that has actually collected data for the whole, like the whole countries, different countries in this world, and then I can just loop them